Welcome back to Dinosaur Deets. The podcast where we uncover the coolest secrets about dinosaurs. I am your host Devansh, and today we're talking about the most popular dinosaur, the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex. The Tyrannosaurus Rex, also known as the T-Rex, was the apex predator of the dinosaur era. And that is saying something. This giant struck fear into anything that crossed its path. The Tyrannosaurus Rex was about 3 to 4 meters tall. That's roughly the size of an African bush elephant, the tallest mammal today. And it wasn't just tall, it was massive. It weighed over 6,000 kilograms. That's heavier than a truck. Now, let's talk about its teeth. The Tyrannosaurus's teeth were about the size of bananas. Yes, bananas! So, maybe next time, think twice before brushing a Tyrannosaurus's teeth. The T-Rex mainly lived in what we now call North America, mainly the western regions. And when it came to food, it ate anything it could find. In the last episode, we talked about dinosaur names. So, here's a cool connection. The Tyrannosaurus Rex's name means king of the tyrant lizard. And in the last episode, we talked about the Rajasaurus's name that means king lizard. Looks like dinosaurs really liked being called kings. Even a giant like the Tyrannosaurus Rex had two major weaknesses. The first one being its arms. They were really tiny, as large as a human arm. Imagine a giant creature like the Tyrannosaurus Rex with small arms. Imagine how ridiculous it would have looked. Its second weakness was its brain. Its mind wasn't the sharpest. That's why it relied mainly on its powerful jaws, mighty tail, and its powerful legs. Dinosaurs got to decide between two factors, brains or brawn. The Tyrannosaurus definitely chose brawn, but some dinosaurs had both brain and brawn. But that is a story for another day. Even though it was the king of the dinosaurs, it wasn't perfect. That's what makes it really special. That's it for today's episode of Dinosaur Deets. In the next episode, we are going to learn about the most cunning dinosaur. Until then, keep learning and keep exploring. This is Devansh signing off from Dinosaur Deets.